In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Store work. If your Microsoft Store refuses to open, crashes right away, or just sits there loading forever, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by corrupted cache files or a stuck background process, and Windows gives you a couple of built-in ways to fix it. Let's start with the fastest option, which is resetting the store cache. This works well because temporary data can sometimes become corrupted and prevent the app from launching properly. To do this, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In that box, type wsreset.exe, then click OK. As soon as you do that, a blank black command prompt window will appear. That part is completely normal, so don't close it or interact with it, just let it run. After around 10 to 30 seconds, the window should close on its own, and the Microsoft Store should open automatically with a refreshed cache. If the store is still not working after that, move on to the built-in repair tools in Windows. Press Windows key and I to open Settings. From there, go to Apps. If you're on Windows 11, select Installed Apps, or in some newer versions, System Components. If you're on Windows 10, choose Apps and then Apps and Features. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Store. Click the three dots next to it and open Advanced Options. Inside that menu, first click Terminate. This forces Windows to shut down any frozen or hidden store processes that may still be running in the background. Then scroll down and click Repair. Give Windows a few moments to scan and fix the app's framework files. If the store still doesn't respond after the repair completes, click Reset. This will safely sign you out of the store app temporarily, but it often resolves deeper issues when a normal repair isn't enough. Follow those steps carefully, and in most cases, Microsoft Store should start working again.